Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some truly impressive tools from across the world. Make sure to check out what we have in store, from leaf blowers to paint edgers. The BEHABELT RSO2 is a friction welding tool for maintenance technicians that enables the quickest and most reliable method of welding belt profiles. In essence, this technology utilizes the reciprocal coefficients of friction of the profile materials to effect material fusion in the joint, while applying pressure and performing a rotational movement. Basically, it spins very quickly and it gets very hot. Welding clamping jaws that are precisely tuned to the respective profile ensure reliable clamping and profile alignment. The WORX LEAFJET is a cordless leaf blower with a brushless motor. It is very light in weight and compact in size. Its 4 amp-hour battery features a longer runtime than traditional batteries. Its turbine is based on sonic technology, delivering the forceful high-capacity air volume at 130 miles per hour. Variable air control nozzle allows for choosing high volume or high-speed air for various applications. The pneumatic multifunction tool quickly digs holes and extracts rocks and roots. It operates at 2100 beats per minute. It includes 5 interchangeable heads, a vast flat chisel, a narrow flat chisel, a pointed chisel, a shovel, and a scraper. It quickly removes tile, plaster, old carpets, adhesive, linoleum, grout, brick, and more. It's perfect for gardeners, construction workers, landscapists, and remodelers alike. The VARIO drill WS90 is a unique device for removing spot welds from all kinds of vehicles. It removes open spot welds at folds, seams, and inside placed panels to remove their proprietary G-clamp in seconds. No additional tools required. It includes a depth limiter that allows the user to regulate the cutting depth. A specific drill for the HSS steel and Super HSS is also available. The H3x360 cross laser is a leveling and measuring device. It consists of lasers with 1 horizontal and 2 vertical 360-degree lines and a measuring tolerance of just 0.2 mm per meter. Together with the horizontal 360-degree laser line, the vertical lines form a 90-degree angle, which forms a wall cross, ceiling cross, or floor cross at their intersections. The laser lines can each be switched on individually at the touch of a button. The BEAD bazooka is the most sophisticated bead seeder ever. The machine can handle tires ranging from mopeds to agricultural vehicles. This gun has an improved trigger-operated rapid air release valve. This makes it lighter and allows the user to seat even the most resistant tire beads. You can also maintain and replace the new valve for greater uptime. The Smart Edge roller makes prep work more comfortable and more enjoyable by eliminating hours of taping and cut-ins. It features a paint roller edge guard to provide crisp, clean paint lines and protect your trim. An integrated paint reservoir eliminates the need for a paint tray. It holds up to 6 ounces of paint and covers up to 96 linear feet in one fill. You can easily control the paint with its trigger. All of this makes the paintwork easy, precise, and enjoyable. The Milwaukee Modular Pipeline Inspection System provides the industry's clearest image and easiest inspections. A 1080p HD self-leveling camera head has the ability to digitally zoom 4 times and pan, resulting in better vision in drain lines. M18 red lithium battery powered, the M18 500GB control hub powers the reels, saves recordings, and switches reel sizes for unparalleled system flexibility. Exact PipeCut 460 Pro Series is an innovative solution for cutting big and medium-sized pipes. The machine is light and easy to carry where the cuts are needed. You can cut steel pipes to 20mm in thickness and 50mm for plastics. It is suitable for pipe diameters of 100 to 460mm. The powerful motor, coupled with other features and a unique gripping unit, boosts productivity, allowing more time for other tasks. The Stair Surfer is perfect for moving furniture, appliances, and other heavy objects up and down the stairs. 3 tracks allow the operator to regulate the climb and descent. You can change the primary working handle so that the employee can utilize the stair climber to their own standing height. In comparison to a manual stair climber sack truck, the Stair Surfer removes the stress and strain on your back. Leveling floor or wall tiles is a difficult task. Usually the task requires skilled hands for the best results. But with the T-pins created by BEHABELT, anybody may do this task more accurately. These T-pins act as a connector between 2 tiles, keeping them at the same level when twisted. These are reusable, washable, and saves time and money. The Trim Smart Paint Edger offers both horizontal and vertical guidelines for edging compared to previous edgers. Guides are used to edge around ceilings and baseboards. Side-mounted wheels allow you to ride alongside door and window trims. Oil and water-based paints remove the pad for cleaning and replacement. The innovative swivel handle maintains the paint pad flat with any surface at any angle. The FORMBOX is a tool that allows you to duplicate forms rapidly. This kind of vacuum forming equipment heats a sheet of plastic up to the temperature required for molding and then stretches it over a single surface mold before pushing it against the mold with the help of a vacuum. Whether you create it by hand or in collaboration with your 3D printer, the FORMBOX is your very own desktop manufacturing line. The KO20TM is designed to be more durable, stronger, and lighter than conventional tool material. A reduced coefficient of friction allows the blade to move quickly and smoothly across a surface, keeping it open for longer. Evenly distributed curved surface channel lines level the surface. Superior sliding abrasion and blunt impact resistance ensure long-term performance. It does not adhere to concrete, making cleanup a breeze.
Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.